always be smiling. Hi, Taylor here at Financial Potion, where video is your financial potion. And to never miss out on a video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and then click on the bell to get notified every Friday at 5 p.m. Arizona time that a new video has been posted. And if you're looking for one-to-one training, make sure you get connected with us and even schedule a complimentary strategy session. But right now I want to talk about why you should always be smiling and when you should be smiling. Because in reality, you can't always be smiling. If you're just walking down the street with a smile all the time on, it'd be a little exhausting and people may not think you're all fully there. And so these are the times in which you really need to focus on smiling in order to have the best outward presence and feel good about the footage that you see later on. So the first time is when you think you're going live. Whenever you're about to go live, maybe through LinkedIn or on Zoom, but you're not sure if you're really live yet, just keep that smile on, because there's a big difference between seeing this, are we live? And this, are we live? Good, and then you can carry on. And granted, I'd rather even you not ask if you're live, just look at the buttons and see if you're live. But regardless, if you need to ask the question or say that, or if you're just unsure, just keep that smile on for those who may see that footage and then see that you're smiling and are already happy and having a good time. The second time in which I really want people to focus on smiling is when you're doing a video with someone else. If I was doing a video with a partner right now and maybe my partner was talking and not me, I should still be smiling. Looking at them. Yes, my hand is the partner in this instance right now. And I'm just smiling and nodding and actively listening to my partner. Then when it's my turn to talk, the partner should be doing the same thing. They should be actively listening, smiling, maybe even slightly nodding in agreement. Make sure that you're staying active and realizing that you're on camera. And that leads to my third time in which you truly need to focus on smiling is when you're at a live event and you see that there are cameras around. You never know when those camera operators are gonna choose to go to a wide shot of the audience or to pan a small section of the audience, or maybe you're really being engaging and so they actually wanna get a nice close-up of you. Make sure you're smiling, because then when you see that footage later on, you're gonna be like, wow, I look really good, because people tend to just look a little bit better when they're smiling. And so just be conscious of that. Be conscious if there's a camera around you and just keep a little smile on. And when you're performing your own videos, the more you can smile and talk, the more people are going to resonate with you and be connected and even magnetic towards you. And so if smiling and talking sounds a little difficult, definitely make sure you take a look at our video that gives you a super simple technique you can practice to learn how to smile and talk. And then just be conscious. If there's a camera around, just keep that smile on. It's gonna make it so much better. And if there's any way I can help you, if you need additional coaching and support, don't hesitate to reach out and get started with a complimentary strategy session.